Bev Adams. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! In my attempt to stay organized, I like to print off stamp case slips. I just print them on plain paper and then I cut them up. When I get a new stamp set, like Fairy Celebration, I just open it up, remove the rubber, and remove the labels, and then open it up all the way, and then there's this soft clear cover on here, and I just slip this in with the colored section at the spine. I usually put the labels in here until I'm ready to assemble my stamps. And for what it's worth, I might as well tell you, I usually take off the outside part. This is cling on here. Leave the backs of the stamps on until you're ready to assemble. And then just set it in there and it will stick there and be like a puzzle piece. With the photopolymer, same thing. You just don't have the outlines there. The nice thing about this is that when my stamp sets are on the shelf, I can see the name of the stamp set and of course the images, but I can also see that they're color coded. These are the same colors that are in the catalog. So Fairy Celebration is in the kids and babies section. I have the name of the stamp set, of course that's here, but I also have the page in the catalog. Set of 8 is here, and the item number for the clear stamp set is here, but Fairy Celebration also comes in wood mount, so I also have the wood mount number here, helpful for my customers. On the back I have the French name and number. I do share my labels with people from other markets, so I also have the German name, the recommended blocks, and if there are coordinating products I also have that on here. So Beautiful Promenade coordinates with the Beautiful Layers Thinlits. I find it so helpful to know the name of the coordinating product so I can find it on my shelf. In the process of cutting these up, I have the margins that I've cut off, and so I just wrap this around and add a little adhesive. And sometimes I cut them off, usually I just tear that off, and then I've got a little strap for holding it, and I can still check for alphabetical order that way. If you would like my free stamp case slips, come on over to bevadams.com. I will have the direct link for you right here on the video. I will also have the direct link on the YouTube description down below. More organization means more time for crafting. So talk to you soon. Bye.